Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can add widgets to the home screen on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. The first thing that you need to do is simply press and hold your finger on the empty space in the home screen, and then after a short while you will see these options. At the bottom you have the widgets button. You can simply press it, and here we have some apps that have custom widgets. So now we need to select which app we want to use in order to find the widget. So let's say we're gonna choose Spotify, and there we go. Now we have some widgets that we can use. So you can either just tap on the widget and then press add, or you can press and hold on the widget in order to use drag and drop option. So as you can see, I can just move it anywhere I want. I can also move it to a new page, and if you release it, then you can also adjust the size of the widget as well if needed. And after that you can simply tap outside the widget in order to pretty much apply the changes, and that's all you need to do. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!